First, install the leg supports. The side marked with the letters should face the front. Rotate the foot cups so that the stand can stand firmly on the ground. Connect the left leg support to the left foot support and tighten the screws. Connect the right leg support to the right foot support. Install the lower crossbar with sensors onto the back of the leg supports. Loosen the screws on the crossbar and install the limiters. Install the upper crossbar on the front of the leg supports. Install the paper take-up reel bracket. Loosen the screws. Install the single motor take-up system. Tighten the screws. Install the filter bracket. Install the support bracket for film A. Install the non-powered paper feeder. Install the filter. Install the waste ink bottle. Finally, check and tighten all screws. Mount the printer. Tighten the screws to secure it. Connect the corresponding sensor cables. Attach the filter air outlet. Plug in the power cable for the filter. Loosen the screws and install the single motor paper feeder. Make sure the end with screws is facing downward. Tighten the screws to secure it. Connect the power cable. Connect the power cable for the front paper feeder. Insert the ink tubes into the waste ink bottle. Open the front cover. Remove the tape securing the media clips. Cut the retaining strap. Loosen the screws and remove the bracket. Turn counterclockwise to lower the ink station height and move the carriage away. Unscrew the carriage cover and take it off. Unscrew the carriage board cover and take it off. Take out the printhead and flat cables. Insert the flat cable into the ports on both sides of the printhead. Cut a few pieces of acetate tape for use. Apply waterproof tape to the flat cable connections. Note: ensure the tape covers the contact points. Mounting the printhead on the carriage base. QR code toward the front. Plug the cable into the slot on the carriage board. Printhead wiring diagram. Secure the printhead with screws. Remove the ink tube's packaging. Install the ink damper. Ink damper color order diagram. Shake the ink to prevent sedimentation. Pour the ink into the ink tanks according to color, and tighten the ink tank cap, but not too tightly. Use a syringe to draw out the ink from each ink damper. Installation complete.